Hello students, today's our experiment is about air occupies space. See what is in my hand? This is water bottle. It is empty but not empty. In this bottle air is present. Now took half bucket of water. Water bottle dipped into the water. See air bubbles comes out from the water bottle and water enters into the bottle. Air present in the water bottle. So bubbles will come because we said that air occupies space. Air occupies space. Even in a very small place, there is air. Every empty object also contains air. So from now on, we should not say that anything is empty. It has air inside it. Now students, try this experiment yourself. What did you observe?
Yes, ma'am. We are also observe air bubbles come from this water bottle. So we find that air occupies space.
Hello students. Now we do another experiment that is also about air occupies space. For that, take one glass. Carton is placed at the bottom of a glass. The glass is dipped upside down into water. The carton doesn't get wet because air inside the glass stops the water from entering. This shows that air occupies space and prevents water from filling that space.
Wow, it's amazing. We feel very thrilling experience, ma'am.